Hello friends, myself Subhash Nakarsi from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this video, which is 9th Mathematics Part 2. The topic is surface area and volume. Friends, in the previous standard, you might have get introduced with the three-dimensional figures like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. Today we will discuss with following subtopics of this chapter. We will deal with surface area of and volume of a cuboid, surface area and volume of a cube, surface area and volume of a cylinder, and problems from the practice set 9.1. So friends, let us start with surface area and volume. Now let's see surface area and volume. What do you mean by this one? We have learnt how to find the surface area and volume of a cuboid, a cube and a cylinder in earlier standard. Surface area is explained as the sum of the areas of all the closed surfaces of a solid. There are three types of surface area: lateral surface area, which also called as the area of vertical surfaces, curved surface area, and total surface area. Volume is a mathematical quantity that defines the capacity of a solid object. We may see a variety of solid shapes all around us. We may calculate the surface area and volume of a various solid shapes using specific formulas. A cube, cuboids, cylinders, cone, and other solid bodies can be used. We will go over how to calculate the surface area and volume of each of these shapes. Lateral surface area, also known as the area of vertical surfaces. The lateral surface area is known as the area of all the faces except the bottom and top faces or the bases. Secondly, curved surface area. The curved surface area is known as the area of all the curved regions of the solid. Total surface area. The total surface area is the area of all the faces including top and bottom faces or the solid object. Friends, now we will see surface area and volume of a cuboid. Here you could see a cuboid whose height is generally considered as h, length L and breadth B. Friends, length, breadth and height of a cuboid B, L, B, H respectively. So the lateral surface area, that is area of vertical surfaces of a cuboid, is 2 into bracket L plus B bracket complete into H. Here we have considered the only 4 surfaces into consideration. Now total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus LH bracket complete. Here we have taken all 6 faces into consideration. Now this volume of a cuboid is given as L into B into H, that is length into breadth into height. Now surface area and volume of a cube. Friends, here you could see the cube whose length, breadth and height are equal. So wrote here length, length and length. Also it is a edge. Let L be the edge of a cube. So total surface area of this will be 6L square. Area of vertical surface of a cube is 4L square and volume of the cube is L raised to 3, L cube. So these are the different formulas for cuboid and cube. Now we'll see the surface area and volume of a cylinder. So you could see here the cylinder having the radius R and height H. Friends, let radius of the cylinder is R and height is H. So it has a curved surface. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. And the total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi R into bracket R plus H. And volume of the cylinder is pi R square H. So these are the 3 formulas for this cylinder. Friends, here all the 3, that is cuboid, cube and cylinder, can be summarized in this table. This table indicates the different 3-dimensional figures cuboid, cube, cylinder, and which formulas are used to calculate the LSA, TSA and volume, that is lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. So for cuboid, these are the three formulas. 2h into bracket L plus B, that is lateral surface area. Total surface area 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL, and volume is L into B into H. For the cube, LAC is 4L square, TSA total surface area is 6L square, and volume is L cube. For the cylinder, here it is a curved surface area which is 2 pi RH, and total surface area is 2 pi R into bracket R plus H, and volume is pi R square H. Friends, let us now start with the practice set 9.1. The problem number 1. Length, breadth and height of a cuboid shape box of median is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of the box. Here for the cuboid shape box of median, length is 20, breadth is 12 cm and height is 10 cm. We have to find out the surface area of vertical faces and the total surface area. Now surface area of the vertical faces, that is lateral surface area of the box, is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B into H. So 2 into bracket 20 plus 12 into 10. After substitution of these values, it could be simplified in the next step. 2 into 32 into 10, which is 640 square centimeter. Now total surface area of the box is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL, which is equal to, substitute the values, 2 into bracket 20 into 12 plus 12 into 10 plus 20 into 10. So here it will be 2 into bracket 240 plus 120 plus 200. That leads to 2 into 560, which will be equal to 1120 square centimeter. So in word, the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of the box are 640 square centimeter and 1120 square centimeter respectively. Now we'll continue with the second problem. That is, total surface area of the box of a cuboid shape is 500 square unit. Its breadth and height is 6 unit and 5 unit respectively. What is the length of the box? So friends, here for cuboid shape box, breadth B is 6 unit, height H is 5 unit and total surface area is 500 square unit. We have to find out the length of the box L. Now we have the total surface area of the box is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Now we'll put the values. The surface area is 500, which is equal to 2 into bracket 6L plus 6 into 5 plus 5L. So which will be equal to 500 divided by 2 is equal to, that is 11L plus 30. So here it will be 250 is equal to 11L plus 30. So 250 minus 30 is equal to 11L. So the subtraction is 220 is equal to 11L. Therefore 220 upon 11 is equal to L. Therefore 20 is equal to L, means L is equal to 20 units. So we can say the length of the box is 20 units. Problem number 3. The side of a cube is 4.5 cm. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. Friends, here given that the side of the cube is L, which is 4.5 cm, we have to find out surface area of the vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. We have area of the vertical faces of cube is equal to 4L square, 4 into 4.5 bracket raised to square, which is equal to 4 into 20.25, that leads to 81 square centimeter. Now friends, the total surface area is 6L square. So here it is 6 into 4.5 bracket raised to square, which will be equal to 6 into 20.25, that leads to 121.5 square centimeter. So the surface area of the vertical faces and that of the total surface area of the cube are 81 square centimeter and 121.5 square centimeter respectively. Now we'll turn to problem number 4. Total surface area of the cube is 5400 square centimeter and the surface area of the all vertical faces of the cube we have to calculate. Friends, here given that total surface area of the cube is 5400 square centimeter, we have to calculate the surface area of all vertical faces of this cube. We have total surface area of the cube is equal to 6L square. Therefore 5400 is equal to 6L square. Therefore 5400 upon 6 is equal to L square. 6 brought to the left hand side, it is get divided. Therefore this division leads to 6L square is equal to 900. Area of the vertical faces of the cube is equal to 4L square. So 4 into 900, that leads to 3600 square centimeter. Therefore the surface area of all vertical faces of the cube is 3600 square centimeter. Let us see the next problem number 5. Volume of a cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. Breadth and height of the cuboid are 1.5 meter and 1.15 meter respectively. Find its length. Friends, here it is given that breadth B is equal to 1.5 meter and height H is equal to 1.15 meter and volume of the cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. We have to find out the length of the cuboid L. Friends, we know that volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H, but volume given 34.50 is equal to L into B into H. So substitute the values. Therefore 34.50 is equal to L into 1.5 into 1.15. So L could be written as 34.50 divided by 1.5 into 1.15. So which will leads to 34500 upon 15 into 115. Multiplying and divide the n and d by 1000. So the next step will be here 300 upon 15, which leads to 20. So the length of the cuboid is 20 meter. We'll see now problem number 6. What will be the volume of a cube having length of edge 7.5 centimeter? Friends, we know that length of the edge of the cube given as L is equal to 7.5 centimeter. We have to calculate the volume of the cube. Now volume of the cube is equal to L raised to cube, which will be 7.5 raised to 3. So 421.875, which leads to 421.88 cubic centimeter. So the volume of the cube is 421.88 cubic centimeter. Now we'll see problem number 7. Radius of the base of a cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 13 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. The value of pi here should be taken as 3.14. Friends, it is given that radius r is equal to 20 centimeter and height h is 13 centimeter. We have to calculate curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder. Friends, here it is given that curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rs. This is the formula that we have to use, which will be equal to 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 13. We have substituted the values of pi as 3.14 and r, h respectively 20 and 13. The product of these will be 1632.8 square centimeter. Now total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. Now again put the values 2 into 3.14. So here it will be 20 into bracket 20 plus 13. So 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 33. That leads to 4144.8 square centimeter. So friends, here the curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder are 1632.8 square centimeter and that of 4144.8 square centimeter respectively. Friends, now we'll see the next, that is problem number 8. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 1980 centimeter square and the radius of the base is 15 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Here pi value considered as 22 upon 7. Friends, it is given that curved surface area of the cylinder is 1980 square centimeter. Radius r is equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find out the height of the cylinder h. Friends, we know that curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now put the values. Curved surface area is 1980, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 15 into h. So from the right hand side, we will bring to the left hand side. So it will be becoming 1980 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 15 is equal to h. Or you may write h is equal to 1980 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 15. Now after simplification to this, we will getting h is equal to 21 centimeter. So we can write in word the height of the cylinder is 21 centimeter. Friends, what we have been discussed today. In this session, we discussed on the following subtopics of this chapter, that is surface area and volume of a cuboid, surface area and volume of a cube, surface area and volume of a cylinder, and the problems from the practice set 9.1. Friends, will you try these problems? Number 1, find the length of the sides of the cube if its volume is 216 centimeter cube. Second, the curved surface area of a circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Third, find the volume of the cube whose edge length is 3 centimeter. Fourth one, find the volume of the cuboid whose length, width and height are 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 13 centimeter respectively. Friends, here width means we have to consider the breadth. Fifth one, find the height of a cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and volume is 1540 centimeter cube. Take here pi is equal to 22/7. So friends, try these problems by using the different formulas that we have been discussed already. Friends, you should not forget the famous words of Galileo Galilei. He said that nature is written in the mathematical language. So friends, practice the problems. With these words, I would like to say thank you.